Welcome to our new series, A Journey Towards Continuous Delivery, by the Harrington Starr Technology Consulting team. Today we have Ihab Rafel talking about what exactly continuous delivery is. They have lots of experience in achieving continuous delivery at different financial institutions, and they are experts in training Agile, in Agile delivery, and in Agile transformation. So welcome, Ihab Rafel, and maybe if you start off by talking us through what continuous delivery actually is.
Thank you very much, Nadia. So we've chosen to do this set as a series to explain what continuous delivery is, because there's so many different facets. But continuous delivery, in a nutshell, is a set of practices that are designed to ensure that code can be rapidly and safely deployed to production by delivering every change to perhaps a production-like environment that ensures safe and rapid delivery. If I can explain it slightly differently, since every change is made to a staging environment that's production-like as much as possible, and when you promote code, whether it be a bug fix or a feature change, automated tests are run that ensure that your business functionality and your core functionality still is correct, then that ensures rapid and safe delivery. That, in a nutshell, I hope, is continuous delivery.
Excellent. So if you could maybe expand a bit on the benefits of continuous delivery, that would be really helpful.
Yes, thank you. So continuous delivery helps high-performance teams that are ready to be able to adopt this approach to perform faster, safer and better releases to production. Now, there is a slight difference between continuous delivery and continuous deployment. Continuous delivery says we're going to get our code to a point that it can be delivered if you so require it, but in environments that you've got very strong compliance and security orientation, such as financial services, you may need some extra manual steps. That's fine. Continuous delivery does that. It's not aiming to deliver directly into production fully automated, as continuous deployment is. So one of the key advantages is it reduces risk substantially. If you've already automated your automated tests before going into production, if the environments are scriptable and very, very similar, if everything that you have control of you've been able to assure, then it reduces your risk. Faster time to market, this allows for teams to deploy faster and safer, because now it's in an automated process, almost robotic, able to deploy to production, increases the speed of your team's work. Increases your quality. So quality is the third item. So if you're ensuring that your environments are the same, that tests are being run quite consistently, then your quality is going to be improved quite dramatically. One of the last items is you end up with happier teams. So your teams are less stressed. They're able to perform better, knowing that if they write code today, that code hasn't broken something that they wrote 6 months ago, or if it does, they'll get early warning of it, as opposed to waiting for it to go live to know about those issues.
Great, that sounds fantastic. So lower risks, faster time to market, happier people in your teams. It all sounds very positive. So how do you do continuous delivery?
Every company has a different journey, and they start in different places. And one of the building blocks, one of the first building blocks, is to ensure that the teams are developing in a certain process. And for our consultancy, we're very pro Agile and the Scrum process. We very much like breaking down large changes into smaller value deliveries. Those large changes allow you to be able to focus on, for every change, every request, what are the tests that need to be run to ensure that that is working correctly upstream and downstream of that change, almost like a black box. So automated testing is a large building block of that, and being able to have that run automatically with every check-in, every deployment into a staging environment. Another step is to connect your code base to grab not only your code and your integration tests, but to be also able to migrate that from one environment, like your development environment, to an integration or a staging environment. And that process is called continuous integration, that your teams are continuously integrating their code,
Yep.
having their automated tests run, giving them assurance that things are working well. The ability to push those executions and to develop continuous integration along with automated testing means that you may need to invest in extra training of DevOps personnel, or have your teams be able to learn some extra abilities, such as being able to script environments in an automatic way using products such as Chef, Puppet, or Ansible, etc.
Right, right. So it all sounds too good to be true, is it?
Almost. It is too good to be true, but the advances over the last several years have meant that there are many successful teams that we've helped get to the point of being able to deliver in a continuous manner. The advantages are unbelievable, and to see a team that's transitioned from being able to deploy, let's say, every 2 or 3 months into production, to a team that's constantly, consistently, rapidly and safely deploying into production, maybe every day or even sooner than that, has been tremendous to see, and it's very encouraging for us. That's where we get our kicks from, seeing that change
Excellent.
and transformation in teams. The agile delivery approach, DevOps movement, automated testing have all come together at such a point that, no, this is very achievable now. It's not too good to be true.
Great. Well, look, thank you so much for that introduction. Could you tell us a little bit more about what we'll get in the next series?
Yes. So either myself or my business partner, Gav Patel, who's an expert in testing, will deal with integration testing and how to get that working either as functional tests or unit tests in order to aid the journey to continuous delivery, or how to build scriptable, how to approach scripting environments so that they are predictable and they're production-like as much as possible, and then the pipeline, how to connect your code base and your automated tests to a pipeline that automates products such as Jira and Jenkins, so that there is an automated, consistent way of going into a production-like environment.
Great. Okay. Well, we'll look forward to those next episodes. Thank you
Nadia.
very much for joining us on the journey towards continuous delivery. We'll be having following episodes next week and the week after that. And if you'd like any more information, please contact EHAB or the rest of the Harrington Star Technology Consulting team. The email will follow. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, EHAB.
Thanks, Nadia.
Cheers.
Cheers.